In the business report, creative entrepreneurs across Jamaica are set to benefit from expanded business support through a new partnership between the Kingston Creative Small Business Development Center and the Jamaica Business Development Corporation. The two organizations have signed a memorandum of understanding, making Kingston Creative the newest member of Jamaica's Small Business Development Center network. The partnership, which begins operations in August with a pilot group of 40 entrepreneurs, will provide micro, small, and medium-sized businesses in the cultural and creative industries access to business coaching, training, and advisory services at no or low cost. The initiative is expected to eventually expand to wider creative community, helping entrepreneurs strengthen their businesses and pursue growth opportunities. Denise Williams brings us the latest market updates.
For the trading period of July 31, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Wigton Energy Limited with 20,236,584 units, representing 30.57% of market sales. Deramon Trading Company Limited with 7,969,109 units, representing 12.04% of market sales. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited shares with 7,832,569 units, representing 11.83% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in energy, transportation, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for July 31, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.48 and buying at $157.21. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $1.56 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.58 and was bought for $112.02. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $4.19 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $214.58 and was bought for $211.37. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit report could be the bridge between employment and entrepreneurship. Most people think of their credit report as something they need to qualify for a loan. Entrepreneurs should think differently. If you're planning to leave your job and start a business, your credit profile is more than a financial record. It's a business asset. The transition from employee to entrepreneur often comes with irregular income. A strong credit history can help you access startup financing, qualify for business credit, secure better loan terms, and preserve cash flow while your business gains momentum. Before handing in your resignation, spend time strengthening your financial foundation. Review your credit report for errors. Pay your bills on time, reduce high interest debt, limit unnecessary credit applications, build an emergency fund. A business plan tells lenders where you want to go. Your credit report shows how you've managed financial responsibility along the way. The strongest entrepreneurs don't just prepare their business, they prepare their financial credibility. Your credit score won't build your business, but it can open doors that help you build it. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. See you soon.